So I already did one video, I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do a full makeup tutorial because I'm not gonna leave without doing a full look after doing my brows, you know, and all that. So I'm gonna do it, and it's a simple look. I think I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use this AOA Studio Paw Paw Concealer. So it's in the shade Porcelaine, so I'm gonna use it on my eyelids right now. Oh snap! I forgot because I already applied mascara. I'm gonna try and do this careful as possible because this is so hard. Oh my god, I put too much. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same for the other eye and come back. Hi y'all, so today is the first time I'm trying out this e.l.f. Cosmetics 18 Hit Wonders palette, and as you can see, it's very pretty. It's wearable for every day but also for creative looks, so I just had to get it. And as you can see, I'm using the lightest peach tone, and it didn't really have a lot of fallout, so it's good. I mean, I don't really mind, to be honest, but it's something to, you know, share in case y'all do mind. And as you can see, I needed to build up a lot for you to see the shadow. It matches my skin tone, and so here I'm using another darker orangey peachy shade for my crease as well. And it was the same thing. It was hard to not blend, but it was hard for it to pick up the color quickly. You had to blend and apply, but overall it's nice. And here I'm using the darker brown shade. All of the shades were pretty much the same pigment wise, formula wise, except the shimmer. I forgot to use shimmer here because I was using another new product from e.l.f. Anyway, so as you can see, I don't show everything when it comes to blending my shadow. I'm gonna be here for like 30 minutes, you know. Well, I don't take that long either, like 10, I don't know, 5, I don't know, but anyways. So that's what you can really tell in this video. So yeah, this is the new e.l.f. product I was telling you about. This the e.l.f. metallic liquid shadow or metallic liquid shadow. I forgot because there's two different formulas, but they're pretty much the same. So I'm using this shade. It's in the shade, which one was Moon Pearl? No, that's the highlighter. This is, wow, I totally forgot it. I don't have it with me right now, but anyways, it was very pretty and nice. It was like the other green Aurora shade, the 24 karat gold shade that I use, so I recommend it. It's really pretty. I decided, oh, except you see there where I blend, it's hard to blend and mesh well because it's a liquid shadow, it's not a powder shadow, so it's kind of a little hard to use, to be honest. So it's better to hide it with eyeliner or rhinestones so people won't notice. Anyways, so this is a new e.l.f. product I'm also using, but I already did a review and first impression previously in another tutorial. But if y'all didn't watch it, I'm gonna say it here. It's pretty nice and skinny, but you have to apply it like a second or third layer for it to be more pigmented. But overall it's great. It's nice for the price. Oh yeah, and the e.l.f. 18 Wonders palette, to be honest, I don't think I recommend it. For the original price cost like $14, so I would say pass on that palette. You don't have to buy it. It's not as great formula wise, but I got it on the 60% beauty squad sale, so I got it for like $3, $4, $5. So to be honest, that's for me the worth the price. That's how it should cost, but it's fine. I'm glad I got it on sale and not the original full price, because to be honest with y'all, it would be a completely waste of money because of the formula. It's not that great, and I wouldn't be using it as frequently as other palettes. So yeah, and as you can see, this liner I recommend it too. It creates the liner very easy, skinny, precise, and I can't even draw with this type of liner. I normally can't because it's liquid, but this one is just as great. So yeah, so here I'm using the NYX glitter primer and these rhinestones from Latina Cosmetics. And yeah, I already did a review with these products before, I think. Yeah, they're great. So yeah, what else? So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to quickly mention the new e.l.f. products that I've been using. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.